So each time you're using, just really, I couldn't even hold that, yes. You can see a little bit hints of this flower because this flower is so small. But I think I just want to get a little hint of that. You can do whole nails. Absolutely looks great. All right, so tip and tricks if you don't want your metal art to be running off away from you. Sure to go to make it all like in a theme. Go. I need another go. I need another one. I need another one to go. I need another one with the go. Can I get that? So I didn't put any top coat yet. The reason is because then that way you don't worry about it running away from you. After I lay it on, then I will put the top coat and I will dress it along with that. I'm getting another gold. You can do silver, you can do gold. I'm not trying to get in my cell gold. You're just gonna get in my container. Huh? No, I don't need it anymore. It's too long. It takes so long, babe.
No, gotta dig for it.
No, I don't need it. When it takes so long, I don't need it. That is absolutely a mentality of a lot of our clients. Quick, really fast, quick, and easy. So you want to be able to grab what you have on your stations and make the best out of it. Can you put it back into my container, please? Okay. Get some air on hot. Okay, so when thing is happen like that, I am a little bit OCD, and I will do my I am going to using my other crystals. Let's see if this one fits with my, it should be. Perfect. All right, I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna do that later. All right, so I'm gonna dress it up first and then I will put the condensed glue gels and everything on it. We have a few minutes left, so I will do something really cool and pretty for this one. So the best way to place your crystal placement and to make it successful with your crystal placement, as long as you place them tight, closer together, is gonna make it so much better. You will never go wrong with this, I promise. And we have a lot of questions asking what is the best way to do with crystal placement. If you have to pick one, I would suggest Trifecta, which is condensed glue gels, No white top coat and precision glue. So check that baby out if you are unsure that if you can able to make your crystal placement to be really beautiful and successful. So then you and your clients will be really sit back and ensure that all the crystals stay on. I'm so excited. I know it's like it's so, the more I get to share with you, the more I learn from all of you as well, and so excited to do tutorial every night. Doesn't matter. Have you ever like have an ideas like run out of ideas? I'm not gonna lie to you, I am too. But I will not let it stop, because look, it's the same thing when if you are doing like if you're doing how do I saying it? If you climb on the mountain, for instance, or you climb once, you're going down, and then you're like, oh, it's not bad at all. I thought it was difficult, and then you already achieved one. You think you can do on the second one, and then the second one you get experience, you're doing it even better. Same thing with us doing our beautiful crystal placements. Look at that. How is this one in here? Maybe it's there, but I didn't see it. Probably. I might move. It's right here. And I think I didn't put the top coat on at all, which is totally fine because I'm gonna put it on right now before I key it.
And I realized for a crimson teardrop in that middle.
Crimson? The crimson might be a little bit bigger for this. Live ras, I think we probably have a smaller one, but I don't have with me at the moment. The crimson might be longer because this is more like a pear shape. The other ones is like a drop shape. So I'm gonna coat that. Unless we'll go and find we'll coat this. Looks cute. All right, so I am going to key this one.
Just like that, nothing inside.
I'm gonna put the condensed glue gels in here just a little bit. I'm gonna flash key this one. I'll flash key for 30 seconds. I know, I was thinking if I can get the crimson drop. I have it live ras, but in my other collection of crystal though, on one of my 2 other containers, in my travel bag, it's like smaller, it's like this, but in crimsons. So
you want to do hot?
No, it's just, look at this. You can do this. Do you want to do hot paint? We already have it. Okay, flash here, but then I'm going to using our condensed glue gel, so I am going to apply that. And you need to close the lid on that one.
Yep, the other side.
So I'm gonna give it a little bit right there, because I'm gonna adhere my, it's super cute. This is golden frame, so if you want to really create your own frame, this is so freaking stunning. And it's just like no white top coat on the top. I live ras, you can do this. All right, so now you lady picks, we have just a second to pick. Oh, you can do green. Super cute. And yellow.
Do yellow.
No, yellow and lamb greens. This is lamb green. Ta-da! Crystal.
that amberish color. I like the green one. Really stick it out.
Not really, Marissa. It doesn't hurt anything at all. They tarnish. Yes, they do, because if you're doing acetone or cleaning the house, anything, they'll get tarnished. So, let's see. Yellow. Cece said yellow. Anyone else see yellow? You can put yellow on it. Okay, yellow or lime greens. To this yellow. Oh, it looks not bad at all. It looks really pretty.
Fit?
Perfect. It
Nice.
does.
Does look cool.
Cool. Okay. Now we're gonna cue this one for 60 seconds. I forgot to get some beads on this one.
It's okay.
When you forget some beads, don't worry, I got you. My precision glue here. I don't want to put toe and tie my brush in there. It's gonna damage my or touching my crystals. So I'm using my needle from Precision Glue. And I'm going to do these two babies in there. Great. And we're going to cure this. And you have to watch because you didn't watch the running. See that? You got to watch that. Don't move.
That's just quick.
No, sometimes he's curious and he look, and he just like make all my crystal is moving. He's getting in trouble and I'm so OCD. Is anyone related? Me? I'm like too OCD.
You need to share black line on this. Look really, really cool.
Let me see. We're gonna move that one. I just dropped my frame. I'll pick up later.
You might make it. Whoa, Sen, I'll kick you out.
It's okay. You need to pay attention on it. Don't wait until last minute.
Yeah, you tried to push that nail last minute.
No. There's no need to argue and talk about this. So we're on live right now.
Yeah.